Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Time Machine on your Synology NAS. Time Machine is Apple's fantastic built-in backup feature for Mac OS, and pairing it with a Synology NAS creates a powerful, centralized, and reliable backup solution for all your Apple devices. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your precious data is safely backed up. This process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes to complete, providing peace of mind for your digital life. First, let's prepare your Synology NAS. You'll need to create a new shared folder specifically for Time Machine backups. Next, ensure that AFP, or Apple Filing Protocol, is enabled for this shared folder, as it's crucial for Time Machine functionality. Finally, it's a good practice to set a user quota for the Time Machine user. This helps prevent your backups from consuming all available storage on your Synology, giving you better control over your disk space. Now, let's configure Time Machine on your Mac OS device. Navigate to System Settings, then find and open the Time Machine preferences. Here, you will select the Synology shared folder you just created as your backup disk. You'll be prompted to enter the username and password for the Synology user account you set up. Once these credentials are provided, your Mac will be ready to begin its first backup to your network-attached storage. With everything configured, your Mac will now begin its initial Time Machine backup to your Synology NAS. This first backup might take several hours, depending on your data size and network speed. It's wise to monitor its progress to ensure it completes successfully. For an extra layer of protection, consider enabling encryption for your Time Machine backups. This ensures your data remains secure, even if your Synology NAS is compromised, providing robust data privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.